In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch back to classic Yahoo Mail. Let's start by opening your web browser and going to the Yahoo Mail website. Sign into your account using your usual login details. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your inbox, which is most likely using the newer Yahoo Mail interface. This newer version has a more modern look, but if you prefer the older, simpler layout, you might want to switch back. Take a moment to look at the top right corner of your Yahoo Mail page. You should see an icon that looks like a gear, which represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear with several options related to how your inbox looks and behaves. In this drop-down, you're looking for an option related to switching versions of Yahoo Mail. Depending on the current design, this might be labeled something like Switch to Classic Mail, Switch to Basic Mail, or similar wording. Click that option. If you don't see it right away, try scrolling within the menu if that's possible, or look for a link that mentions More Settings, and then check for a version or viewing option there. Once you click on the option to switch back, Yahoo may show you a confirmation message or a short explanation of what will change. Usually, it will let you know that the classic or basic version has fewer visual features and is optimized for simpler layouts or slower connections. Confirm that you want to proceed by clicking the appropriate button, such as Switch or Save. After a few moments, your inbox should refresh and load in the classic or basic view. You'll notice the layout is simpler, with fewer animations and less clutter. Take a quick look around to make sure everything looks the way you expect. Your emails, folders, and contacts should all still be there. Only the appearance and some of the interface elements will have changed. If at any point you want to go back to the newer version, you can usually repeat this process. Open the settings gear, look for an option to switch to the new or full version of Yahoo Mail, and confirm the change. That's all there is to it. By using the settings menu inside Yahoo Mail, you can easily switch between the classic and newer views, depending on which feels more comfortable and efficient for you.